People looking at me funny because I got a GoPro strapped to my head. I know I look weird. You think I don't know that? What's going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be doing a completely touchless wash of my truck. As you can see right now, it is completely filthy. Where I'm living right now, there's a rock quarry, there is a bunch of construction going on, as you guys can obviously see. So today we are going to be doing a touchless wash of this truck. Actually, it's so dirty I was able to write in my intro. What's going on, guys, and welcome back to another video on the side of the truck. Hey, what's going on? You can see me in the window. So today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be using an electric power pressure washer. Sunjo is the brand. Here is what the pressure washer gun looks like over here. So what we're going to do first is we are going to shoot this thing with a little pre-soak, and then the soap that we're going to be using for the truck is Chemical Guys Mr. Pink. I've never used this soap before, so I'm excited to see how it works and what the finished product looks like. For those of you wondering, these wheels are plasti dipped. These badges are plasti dipped as well. So I'm sure a lot of people are wondering, like, am I going to be pressure washing the plasti dip portions of this truck using the pressure washer? And the answer is yes. Now, I'm not going to be getting the guy, like, you know, a ½ inch away from the wheels that are plasti dipped, from the badges that are plasti dipped. But yes, you can absolutely spray these guys down and have it not peel and have it retain its quality and its finish. So yes, I still am going to be using the pressure washer to clean the plasti dip portions of this truck. Sometimes you don't realize how dirty something is until you clean it off, and with these wheels that could not be more true. So even with just a little bit of water hitting them right now, they look like a brand new shiny copper penny. I was so shocked at how much better they looked even with just a little bit of water taking off some of the dirt. So once I hit these with a little bit of soap and a pressure wash later in the video, these wheels look amazing. Getting every single nook and cranny when you're doing a wash can sometimes be daunting, especially with like a full-size truck like this where you got to do the back windshield, you got to get the roof and everything. It can be a task, but it's absolutely worth it in the end. Even especially as you can see right here, I'm having to get really close to the truck with the electric pressure washer to make sure I'm getting all the dirt off in the pre-soak. It was just caked on so thick because it's been so long since I've washed this truck. I really had to take my time when I was going through the pre-soak process. Again, with the wheels, like I know I said this earlier in the video, but when these wheels are clean, they look so good. They look better than any wheel I've ever seen. The copper color, the bronze color on these wheels is just, in my opinion, the best looking wheel on the market right now in colors. This part of the truck is really bad. As you can see, we've just got it caked on the inside back in here. Let's see if I can get a good view of how. Yeah, it's caked on in there, but watch this. Oh yeah, it's dirty for now, but it's gonna look good. Man, I want to show you guys. So check this out. The dirt is so like thick and heavy that if you don't get the wand close enough in some areas, it still leaves like a little bit of dirt residue left over. But especially with us being in direct sunlight like this, you want to make sure that this is like washed, like pre-washed, hit with the soap, and then washed off again, because you don't want it to dry and leave like, you know, sudsy residue marks or whatever. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that this side is wet with the wand, and then I'm going to do the soap portion, and then I'm going to have my microfiber towels ready to dry off as soon as I'm done washing off all the soap, because I don't want any residue or streaky marks left on the truck. said, obviously you just want to get a microfiber towel and dry off. You don't need to apply the pressure. You can honestly just kind of let the weight of the microfiber towel kind of fall and just absorb whatever it absorbs by its own weight. Because you don't want to, if there's anything, you know, God forbid, in the microfiber towel, you don't want it to, like, you know, scratch your paint or anything like that. Just kind of let the weight of it fall. As the microfiber towel absorbs more and more water, you can just go, you know, wring it out. But this soap looks like it did a really good job. Really good job. There's people looking at me funny because I got a GoPro strapped to my head. I know I look weird. You think I don't know that? Man of my word, guys, I told you that I was going to pressure wash these wheels, and I was going to be able to get pretty close to them too, and the plastic dip was not going to get peeled off or be affected in any way. You can wash these with soap, you can take them through a conventional car wash. It's a really solid product for the money. Just in case you guys think that maybe this video is going a little bit like out of order or whatever, it's not. I literally did kind of break this truck into individual sections and really took it section by section with the washing. With it, the truck being under direct sunlight in the way that it was outside, I really couldn't afford to wash the entire truck with soap all at once and then rinse it off all at once, because the sunlight and the heat would have dried everything up too quickly. I never would have been able to dry everything off in time without it drying and leaving some sort of sudsy residue. So I literally broke the truck up into section by section, and that to me was the most effective way to wash this whole truck. Okay guys, that is gonna wrap up today's video. The truck looks fantastic. The paint looks nice and wet, gloss and shiny. Nothing like a nice clean vehicle. Wish it would focus on the grill, because the grill looks awesome too. It had a lot of bugs on like the FORD portion of the grill, and the pre-soak definitely helped loosen up all that crap before I hit it with the actual pressure washer that had soap in it. I wouldn't say this is quite like a foam cannon. This is more of like a soap attachment to hook up to the pressure washer that you already have. I think I might dabble in and try and get like a foam cannon here in the future, because if anything, it's just super visually pleasing when you're washing your car to see it all stick and look nice and everything like that. But let me know if you guys like these types of like POV videos in the future. I'm going to be, like I said in one of my previous videos, going to be branching out a little bit as far as content goes. So as you guys might be able to tell, I've got like a little workout setup in my garage, and what I've recently done is purchase like a fitness reality like power rack. There's like a picture of it right there. So I think I'm gonna start including some of the fitness videos in my channel, like how I used to back in the day when the channel first started, because that is something that I'm passionate about. And this channel is called Andrew Does Life. And so part of Andrew's life is fitness and working out and all that good stuff. So let me know if you guys like these POV videos in the future. I could use my little like GoPro like head mount like how I was using today to do like POV workout videos, and just maybe my next mod will be strictly a POV view only while I'm modding the 2020 F-150. Let me know what you guys think. Leave it down in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for your support From my family to yours, Happy New Year. Thank you for all your support, and we'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.